It's good. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Al here, coming to you with another episode of SWIT. Today, guys, I want to talk to you about something that's going to help you out, like exercise, work hard, or just about anybody who's out there and is just tired all the time or who's in pain. I know I brought the wheel back to you a while ago, so with that same reference, I'm going to touch on another product. This product is called the Kanjou mat. It comes in a nice, sweet little carrying case like this, but Kanjou. This thing does amazingly well at relieving aches and pains that you may have, such as back pain, neck pain. It relieves fibromyalgia, as well as sciatica nerve pain. So this little thing does a lot. So let's open it up and look at it and see what we have in the package. First, you have the neck pillow. This is the neck pillow, or you can put it behind your back if you're sitting down in a chair or what have you. But this is a neck pillow. These are memory foam, okay? Now we also have inside the actual mat itself. Kanjou. This thing is amazing. If you look at it, it has all of these lotus flower type plastic stimulators on it. What this does is it mimics the ancient Chinese art of acupuncture. But instead of having all these little needles put inside you or your back or wherever stuck into you, it utilizes acupressure. So all these little plastic stimulators, what they're doing is they're targeting various acupressure points all at once. So you lay on this thing, yeah, it looks like a medieval torture chamber. Kind of feels like it at first when you first get on it, but as soon as you let yourself go and you relax, these things are amazing. So let's go check it out, and I'm going to show you a couple of things to do on it. All right, follow me. At first, it is a bit, you're going to feel it. You just take it, you lie down on your back like that. You take the pillow, and you put it under, and then you just relax. And wow, does this feel good. You close your eyes, you play a little soft music, get you into the mood. Relaxation mood, that is. But hey, whatever floats your boat, whatever mood you're in for a Kanjou mat, for that acupressure stimulation. And after a while, you feel your back or whatever getting hot. You just continue to sit through that. And you feel your body just release. It's just so nice. Anyway, I know I'm making a video here. All right, that's enough for this one. So let me show you the other one, all right? There's one for the hip, or they call it the bottom seat. You just sit down on it. That's it. Just sit down on it and let it work and stimulate all of your bottom, the sciatic nerves, the sciatica. If you've got sciatica, you turn, you can do your hip side. You can turn on your hip. I don't know if you see, but I'm on my side. And you just let it, wherever you're feeling that pain, you just turn and let this mat do its thing. You just rest, whatever, stay there. And you will feel, once you're done, you get up, oh my goodness, you'll feel all of the blood circulating in your body. You feel rejuvenated, okay? Don't forget to get your other side. You can get your lower legs, whatever you need, but this is how you do it. This one right here is where it'll feel funny at first, because to stimulate, yeah, there you go. It starts off feeling like you're standing on a bed of nails. But after a while, you just stand here and your feet become relaxed. It becomes so used to it, and it actually feels good. It's kind of that painful pleasure. Well, I'm not going to touch that, but you guys know what I'm talking about, right? It actually feels good. But the best part of the whole thing is when you actually step off of it. That's when you actually start to feel the blood circulating and you feel like, wow, that was amazing. So you come off of it.
Thumbs up. It's good.
So as you see, guys, this product is amazing. This thing right here, if you have a lot of aches and pains, this stuff can actually help. You know, I talked about the wheel, and I talked about how that gives a nice stretch and makes you crack your back and make it relieve a lot of that pain and that pressure in there. But this right here, it actually stimulates blood flow. It gives back pain, neck pain relief, shoulder pain, hip pain, anything that's paining you. If you lay down on this mat, the Kanjou mat, it will provide a satisfying relief. It helps improve your circulation in the body. It rejuvenates you in a type of way that is only acupressure can. So instead of trying to find a doctor that can do, a real qualified doctor that can do good acupuncture, and you're getting stuck looking like a human pincushion, go ahead and check this product out. This thing right now is the set. You can buy it on their site. I believe it's gokanju.com. And it's for $80, $79.99, I believe. But it's well worth it. The mat and the pillow comes in. It's memory foam, so it's soft, or it conforms to your body after you lay down on it. But like I said, it takes some getting used to. The first time you lay on it, you're gonna feel like you're in torture, you're in pain. But immediately, as you just play something, some music, and you're relaxing, you will forget about it, and then all of a sudden you'll feel the area become warm. Is with the blood circulation increasing, and all of those acupressure points are being contacted. So I highly recommend the Kanjou mat. It is excellent. Well, that's all I have for you today, folks. Thank you for joining me on another episode of SWIT. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I'd like to welcome all of you guys back again. I know it's been a minute, but your boy is back. Peace.